Ready? You got it? How'd it go? The hole's good?
The hole's good. The only thing that existing holes are a little off in the.
Yeah.
Because I used the jig to make the hole like that, so this one looks like they cut it.
Yeah.
Once you go, it clears it though. When you get up there and look,
Oh yeah, that's all I need to make sure it clears it.
it clears it.
You know what I mean? Because I'm gonna stick a vent in there.
Yeah, so it clears it.
Good. You need clamps?
The only thing is, I'm gonna cut.
Which clamps do you need?
Pass me.
This one?
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll hold it for you. Yeah. Go ahead. It's all you.
Pass me the other clamp.
Up.
No, it's good right there. Pass me the red clamp.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Red clamp, this one. Here. These cabinets, man, you could hang them all day. They're nice.
Yeah.
Huh?
Let it go.
Good, huh? Have you found your studs?
Yeah, I already have. See what I did? I marked on the wall.
Yeah.
I found all the studs and I marked on that paper.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna have to measure it again. All the studs on.
Oh, wow. This thing's recording. For a while there, it was just doing the ceiling. So here it is. There's that cabinet.
Oh, you stopped? You got the deposit?
No, I didn't pause it. So there, see the first try right there, he got it. So basically, here we are. So what he did is he did a pattern of the wall, measuring where the studs are. So that way he doesn't have to guess. And all he does is measure and mark the walls. And then he's got this wonderful laser provided by Gabe and Sons that actually does the leveling. The advantage with this laser is that it does the you can fix it, and then well, it looks like it might go down because it hasn't been used, but the advantage to this is that you can put, like you can line it up like that, and you see where it goes. So what it does, it you don't have to mark your cabinet inside. Right there, you find out where the stud is on the drywall, and then you put your screw. So you have a nice pattern, screw pattern. That's what that's how professional works. All right, we still on the money? It looks like nice. And that's pretty good right there. So the screw is what, a 2.5 inch, number 8?
You had to pilot hole it.
And then, what size is your bit?
This should be a number 2.
A number 2, but the drill bit for the pilot?
I think it's about 1/8 of an inch.
1/8 inch, okay. Yeah, that's good enough. It displaces that wood so it doesn't bow out the material, right?